What are you doing?
Hey, no good, pare, my friend. No good. You speak up.
Good mixing.
Why like this?
I will let my viewers, my followers, to see what you are doing, no? You are mixing good. I want them to know. If what is this? This one. You show them. Show to them. Yes, that's right. Yes, good job. Good mixing. This one what call? This one. Yes, yes. Tambak, guys. This tambak is in the Philippines, same old people doing before. That called mama, no? Bunga, maskada, may apog, tapos taon sang buyo, no? The best, no? That's called mama in the Philippines. But in Nepali or same Nepali, Indian, no? And then what? Bangladesh people are doing like that also? No.
Why?
Yes, tambak. Show again, parang. Show again. Tambak only, and then white powder. Maybe that is apog. 2 ingredients only, and then mixing, making like that.
Why like that?